Alright, hey there YouTube, we're here in the garage. You probably noticed by now that the Corvair is no longer in here, that the blue Jeep is. I did this yesterday, at least as far as getting the blue Jeep in here, I did that yesterday. And then I got the Corvair out of here like middle of last week. Don't worry, I still got it. It's out here. It's right over there. Covered under a tarp. Watch out. Right here, I took all the dirt from out front. I did some gravel on that dirt driveway, and I brought all the dirt out here and kind of tried to spread it out to even this out for my slab in the future. I moved a lot of stuff. I cleaned up here where the Corvair is sitting, and then I cleaned up alongside the house. Right here too, and then I put gravel all from the edge of the street all the way up to here. But where I've been pretty sick all through November and first week of December. I was really sick, like really bad. They went to the doctor finally. They told me there's nothing they could do for me. I missed some kind of window, whatever. It was ridiculous. So they told me to go home, so I did. I came back, and then when I got better, I finished this and then cleaned up this, got the Corvair moved and everything, then cleaned in the garage. While I did this, I had the trailer parked where the Ford is, and I was backing the Ford up to put more gravel down on the ground, and I ended up running into the trailer, which the trailer is perfectly fine. It just smashed the lens and bent that up. So I got some eBay taillights, lenses, put them on it yesterday, and then my mirrors that I've had sitting in the garage, I finally put those on. Sadly, the turn signal and the puddle light underneath doesn't work. And then I would like to get the defrosters to work, but a lot of guys were getting these to work somehow. They would just plug them in on these 05s and whatnot. They would work, so I don't know why mine's not. But yeah, all that's done, clean, and I cleaned up in here pretty good. I moved my seats, put them in the Corvair. They used to be right there, or scattered all through here, but got that cleaned up. Got some totes with some stuff in it for Gold Jeep, Comanche, Corvair, and then an empty one that I need to fill up with stuff. I'm going to put my old mirrors from the Ford on eBay, as well as the passenger side taillight lens, which is over there, hopefully for pretty good price. But yeah, I wanted to bring the blue Jeep in here to do the head gasket to where it'd be dry and warm, because I got a little heater over there, and once I clean all that off, I can have it on. Right now it's reading like 48.9 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's the 23rd of December. But once the door is closed and that little heater goes, I can get it to like 55 degrees in here, which is 52 degrees is good enough, especially when you're moving around working on stuff in here. And yeah, well, I got all the stuff I think to do this, so we'll start on that after Christmas and hopefully have it running and driving. I don't know where that bolt came from. You know, by the end of the year, and hopefully get it sold by the new year. But yeah, so that's where I've been, what I've been doing, what's been going on, and yeah, so look forward to getting this thing finished, hopefully. And then till next time, y'all take care now.